Hi, my name is Billy. I'm an architect and director of Ever Architecture Studio. You might be watching this because you're thinking of renovating or building, or maybe you're just interested in all things design. Well, today I just want to explain a little about what we do for our clients, how we serve them, and how the whole process works. Firstly, a little bit about us. We are an emerging architectural studio. So we're based in Tarragindi on Brisbane's south side, a beautiful leafy suburban area. And really, when you look at our work, behind the pretty pictures that you see, there's always a story about someone or a family. And I think our work is predominantly about celebrating and working for that person or the family and really looking to their best interest. We love what we do as architects because predominantly we see it as about serving people. And so as we craft, as we design, as we strive for a good outcome, it's really about helping people to thrive in place, to know who they are and to be connected to where they are. And we do so by creating homes that are connected to nature, that give a sense of peace and rest, and really also enable generous hospitality. So in terms of how we approach a project, I really see our role as the architect to be your friendly guide along the way, the whole way from beginning to end. And our posture is a little bit like a friendly Sherpa if we were hiking somewhere new. We bring skill to the table, we lead, but we're also by your side from beginning to end, from coming up with the vision and bringing it to life. So in terms of how that works, we firstly begin a project in the design stage. And we invest a lot of time and effort in this early stage when the skills of an architect can have a large impact. So in design, we'll come up with multiple options for your site. Each one is very different. It's more than just a different look or a different facade, but each version has its own story to tell, its own typology. And what we want to do is to test and to refine and to interrogate the design so that we come up with something that's concise and clever and efficient. But it's also experientially rich. It connects you with nature. It has that sense of peace and rest that we're after. And that really means that it will also be economical and efficient and easy to build. And that's really the design stage. So once the design is established, we move into the documentation stage of the project. And our approach to this is to invest a high level of detail and attention. And for us, it's about preparedness. That you would get an accurate project price, that you are protected because the drawings are part of the contract between you and the builder, and that we set a respectful and collaborative tone to the relationship between architect, client, and the builder. And that's how we approach documentation. Along the whole way, from beginning to end, we really appreciate and value the input of our clients as well. Most clients choose to have a high level of involvement and to journey with us side by side. And I really like to think that most of them end up enjoying the process because we make it clear and that every step of the way we guide you and show you what we're working on and what decisions we have to make. Well, that's it for now. That's a very brief overview of how we approach our projects and how we help our clients. I want to say that if you're thinking of renovating or building, whether doing a Queenslander, brick house at home, or doing a new house altogether, or if you have any questions about design and architecture, our office door is always open. So come to our studio in Tarragindi, have a coffee, have a free chat, and we'll make sure to get your questions answered and to explain things in further detail. And you can always visit our website, everstudio.com.au. There's more articles on there and things about what we do and how we can help you. For now, thank you for watching. My name is Billy and I look forward to meeting you soon.